Hello everybody, it's Claire here from My Creative Spirit with a walkthrough of this fabulous new collection by Graphic 45 called Midnight Tales. It's just arrived. We've got it on the website, in the shop, and I've been crafting with it and thought I would share a walkthrough with you. It's absolutely beautiful. I'm a little biased because I love Halloween, so I'm always excited to see what Graphic 45 bring out for Halloween because they do it so well. So Midnight Tales, we've got the collection pack, 16 sheets of 12 by 12 papers and 2 sets of stickers, and the colours in this collection are orange, purple, green and black. And one of Graphic 45's USPs, I'm sure you know, is their colour palettes will coordinate with previous collections. So if you've got Eerie Tales and other Halloween collections, you might find that you can mix and match and make yourself a really unique project with those papers that you've already got. So let's take a look. I love this cover sheet. We've got lovely fairies, beautiful pumpkins, a lot of fairy dust, spiders and black cats. Ooh. And let's start with the stickers. Lots and lots of stickers on here. I haven't actually counted how many, but they all coordinate with the papers, and they're great if you dimensionalize. If you add them to foam to give them some depth, they create really lovely dimension on your projects. It's just gorgeous colours. I always go for the cats though. I like the blacks in the corners. I love that with the pumpkins in the frame and the witch and the spider. Oh, love, love, love. So we've got long strips, nice big tag shapes, small tags, lovely circles with the pumpkins on the mini circles. Lots and lots of shapes to use. And then let's get into the papers. So always with Graphic 45 you get a fabulous signature sheet with lots to cut out, so great borders and shapes, a nice banner at the top, trick or treat banner, lovely pumpkins at the bottom. I mean, that is a fabulous frame for your project. A great piece at the bottom there, and then the little cats across the top and the fairies under the pumpkins. It's got a lovely twist to it, this collection, and then a whole sheet of spiders' webs and little purple spiders. So 2 each of those ones, and then look at these gorgeous pumpkins. They work perfectly well with the spiders' webs which are in the background. Lots of little sort of detail in the background as you look through that initial array of pumpkins. So 2 sheets of that one, and then on the reverse, I think my all-time favourite. I absolutely love this check. It pops up in different collections and I really love it. So 2 sheets of that one, and then a whole sheet of cutouts, perfect for your 6x6 cards, with all of the detail on, with the little elves, and she must be a good witch on her broomstick. A little fairy here on the back, and the All Hallows Eve, and then some gorgeous pumpkins on the back. So 2 of those, and then we've got this gorgeous montage of all of the elements from the collection, the fairies, the mushrooms, the moons, stamps and the pumpkins. Beautiful on that purple background. So if you love fussy cutting, there's lots of detail on there to cut out. And then a lovely orange on the back, which goes with both papers, in the purple and then the greens. So 2 of those. Look at those 2 together. Really, really pop. I love this orange. And there's some sort of wicked pixies on here, or wicked elves. Lots and lots of detail, lovely pom-pom flowers. Again, lovely characters to cut out in the orange. And then, look at that orange stripe. Wow, I love it. Love it, love it, love it. So 2 of those. And then we've got the lovely bellflowers on the orange background, so pulling in the colours now, the purples and the greens and the oranges together. And then gorgeous purple on the back. So it really changes, depending on which paper you put with which pattern, it really changes the look of a paper. That makes it very warm and that cools it down a bit. So have a lot of fun mix and matching your papers together in the collection. And then look at these gorgeous little pixies. Again, they look really cute on the purple. So a whole sheet of Hocus Pocus pixie dust, and then lots of purple script, or a lovely purple sheet with script on the back. Gorgeous. And then we get to the very back and we've got the cut apart sheets with the large picture cards. Beautiful border here, the cat's top and bottom, 2 rows of stamps, which I think is great. We like the stamps, a row of pumpkins, and then the banners. So lots of detail on there to match all of the papers. And then there's a whole sheet of that beautiful faded putty cap paper with the stars in the background. Real ombre effect on that one. So gorgeous, gorgeous 12 by 12 papers. And then we've got the 8 by 8. So the 8 by 8 pad, as you know, has 3 sheets of each of the designs in the smaller size. And both size papers work really, really well together. So exactly the same, just the patterns are smaller and great for your smaller projects and your cards. But also for layering if you're making bigger projects, like I'm an album maker, and I love to mix the 12 by 12s and the 8 by 8s together so that you get that difference in pattern size, but the continuation of the colours. Just love it, love it, love it. I keep saying that, that must be the phrase of the day. I love this one. It's really, really hot, really warm. And then lots of detail through the images, just the solid orange images. There's cobwebs in the background and script. It's so pretty, those bells, really lovely. I definitely love orange. I am an orange. I'm not an orange person, but I do love the orange. And then those fairies, I love them with the purple. It really makes them pop. And then the cut apart sheet at the back. So lots of smaller detail on that one. And then we have got the patterns and solids. And I'm really excited to see this green. I haven't looked in this pad before, so I've just taken the sticker off, ready to talk to you and share it with you. So let's have a look. So 16 sheets in the, let's just twist it that way. 16 sheets in the patterns and solids, 2 each of 8 designs. And then you've got the solids on the back. I love that. So really lovely black script. And then the detail on the black that's faded here on the solid back is replicated on here in the lighter colour. So 4 blacks. Oh, love it. And the green. So similar to the orange and black sheet with that imagery on. And then that lovely solid green. It's a real apple green, I love it. Oh, look at that one with the cobwebs on. That's nice. And then 2 orange with the script. Oh, orange check, my favourite. I love the orange check. And they've all got on the back that sort of pattern in the background, so it's not completely solid. There is a detail there, but just, again, it's like an ombre look, but very muted. And, whoops. And then we've got the purple with the images on, and purple cobwebs. So fabulous, fabulous patterns and solids to add in to the projects, and it really calms them down. If you've got a really busy paper, which Graphic 45 is known for being quite busy, and you put that busyness with a solid, it really calms it down. I love it. I love working. I love the challenge of putting everything together with the Graphic 45 collections. And then, to go with all of that, are stickers sold separately, a 12x6 sheet of chipboards, a pack of die-cut assorted pieces. So there is 48 pieces in there. I was just shaking it down so I could see at the top. And there's some fabulous pumpkins in here, a lovely clock, frames, banners, spiders' webs, all sorts in there. And then the pack of 32 ephemera cards in the 6x4 and the 4x3 size. So a fabulous Halloween themed collection from Graphic 45 for us to get crafting with. And here's a project that I have made with it. So this is our Ursula mini album set, and this whole project was made out of one 8x8 pad from the Midnight Tales and a pack of ephemera cards. It's a lovely boxed album set, nice size, nice little Graphic 45 claw feet on the bottom of the box, and then inside are 2 albums, one portrait and one landscape, and I've split the collection out into purple and black and orange and green. It works really well. So I've only used an 8x8 pad and the ephemera cards, and then teamed it up with some chipboard black card, our signature black construction tape, and created this project. And it is actually our next Facebook Live class project. So if you're interested in the project, you'd like to know more about the class, then follow the link below, and that will take you over onto our website where you'll be able to book your place or have a look at all of our Facebook Live classes and how they work. So beautiful, beautiful collection. Really lovely blend of colours, and it was a joy to work with this. I really loved creating every page in this project. So thanks very much for watching. I hope I've inspired you to craft with this collection, and if you've enjoyed the video, give me the thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and then you'll be kept up to date with new products and projects as they come out. Thanks for watching.